Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to deactivate Incognito Mode Chrome Android. Being in an incognito window, if we want to deactivate this mode, we will click on the top icon where the number of open tabs usually appears. Here we will see the Incognito Mode tabs that we have open. We can close the one we want using the close icon on each one. We can also use the top icons to switch between normal tab mode and incognito mode. Finally, if we want to close all the incognito windows, we can close them one by one or use the option that appears in the options menu to close them all at once. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.